Hello everyone, Chef Emily Ellen here, tuning in to report it's official! Spring is here! And you know that because these babies are being planted. On a recent trip home to my family farm in rural Ohio, I started reflecting on soybeans and the farmers. Did you know that 97% of soybean farms are family-owned? And as our #1 grow crop in the United States, farmers are rallying together to make this crop more sustainable by rotating crops, reducing tillage, and managing waste and water more effectively. Soybean oil and soy protein is reported by the FDA to be heart healthy because it's rich in omega-3s, high in vitamins and minerals like folate, potassium, and fiber. Plus, it's gluten-free. Soybean oil is an easy to work with, readily available oil found in supermarkets as 100% vegetable oil. But more and more retailers are starting to proudly print 100% soybean oil grown in the US on the labels. As chef and culinary educator who grew up on a farm, I encourage people to eat home-cooked, homegrown meals, especially when they support our US soybean farming neighbors. Overall, cooking with soy is a joy, and my favorite recipe that features soy is my funnel cake cupcake recipe. It uses soybean oil in the batter and the fry oil for the funnel cakes, as well as soy shortening in this delicious, fluffy frosting. To get this recipe and to learn more about soy, check out my blog post, Soy 101 Farm to Fork, and give these babies a try. Don't mind if I do.